Hey everybody, look here, it's Spamtember. That's right, so it's time to cook some Spam. And this month I went to the Spam website and man, I'll tell you what, the recipes on that site have really grown over the last year or so. There's a bunch of them, but it's Spamtember, so this month we're going to do 4 Spam recipes. I thought I'd kick it off with a recipe that would be friendly for backpacking and things like that when you can't carry a whole lot and you want to keep your weight down. So what we're going to do off the Spam website is their Spam Classic Beef Ramen. Alright, so we got Spam Classic, single serve. I've got beef ramen. I've got Ova Easy egg crystals, because you're not going to carry eggs that are in the shell still backpacking probably. You might, but to prove the point, Ova Easy. I've got green onion. If you're backpacking, sub in the dried green onion. I just had this handy. And just in case I think it needs a little zing, I brought some Chinese hot sauce. So here we go, let's get to cooking. We got stuff to do. Now hopefully this Spam produces a little fat to cook the eggs, because I forgot my oil. Alright, Spam on, y'all. I'll tell you what, I was amazed how many Spam recipes I've already cooked. I made a playlist for Spam recipes. Feel free to check that out if you want. Low heat. This would be a great breakfast. The carbohydrates are going to be really friendly to you at the beginning of the day to give you some energy to get down the trail. It's going to last in your belly for a while. And if you're familiar with pho, that's something the Vietnamese eat for breakfast. It's noodle soup with add-ins and similar add-ins. I'm going to try to wipe my pan down with the Spam wrapper before I put the eggs in there. Hey, if y'all have a favorite Spam recipe, share it in the comments below. I picked out 4 from the website. Yeah, 4 that I haven't done yet. All right, we got a little cook on the Spam. I'm gonna see if we can't get a touch of lubricant on that pan. Now for my egg, I'm not really going for scrambled, but more like an omelet so I can cut it in little strips. The recipe calls for fried eggs. All right, y'all, I did successfully get the egg off. There was just enough oil in that Spam to get it cooked. I'm gonna get about 1.5 cups of water in there for the ramen noodles. And we'll go ahead and get some heat on it. Alright, so my Spam and my egg, I'm gonna dice into strips that I can grab with my chopsticks with my noodles. I'm gonna cut this egg into pretty wide strips so they'll hold together. I don't want them to fall apart in my soup. Alright, all the prep work is done. We're just waiting on the ramen to cook. What about ramen? Does anybody have a favorite ramen recipe for when they're out on the trail? Put that in the comments too. Let's learn together. Alright, our ramen should be done. Alright, let's put this guy together. Alright, let's eat some ramen, y'all. Man, it smells good. And if you didn't know, that's the proper way to eat this pasta with the chopsticks. You get a little up there and you give that guy a slurp. Oh yeah, that's good stuff, y'all. There you go. Classic Spam and ramen breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, whenever you want to eat it. It's Spam and it's Spamtember, so just eat it. And we'll see you on the trail. I'm not sure if I should hit it with the hot sauce. I'm kind of scared I'm going to ruin it. But I know some of you want to know. We'll put some in a little small spot first. Let's see. The hot sauce isn't bad. That's a nice little additive. guess since I opened it. If you're camping with a bunch of Americans, they're probably going to get mad when you slurp your noodles. All right, gotta run. I gotta go put a new V-belt on the air conditioning compressor in my van. It broke last night, and it's not cool enough yet to not worry about it.